Installing the development environment on the local system instead of using a virtual environment results in faster web development. A local installation may be the better choice if you're using an older or slower computer. You can install just the development environment using the instructions from the previous videos, without needing to install VirtualBox. For those preferring to use the Windows operating system, a local installation is a better solution because Windows consumes more resources and takes much more disk space on a virtual hard drive, which results in longer backup and snapshot times compared to Linux in a virtual environment. You can install .NET and Visual Studio Code with the recommended extensions, or alternatively, install .NET with Visual Studio Community Edition instead of Visual Studio Code. If you are using another operating system, you must install .NET and an IDE that supports your operating system and C# language. Please read the official documentation and instructions on how to install the particular software correctly on your system.